Hello students. So today we will continue self practice 4C from question number 3. Question number 3. In the last class we have solved question number 1 and 2. So question number 3, write in scientific notation. Question number 3 is write in scientific notation. Now we are going to write the number in the scientific notation. Write in scientific notation. So the question will be given in the standard form. So the first question is, here the numbers are given in standard form. We have to write in the scientific notation. So first number is 72,000. 72,000. And we have to write this number in the scientific notation. See how we do it. Now, scientific notation means we have to express the number between 1 and 10. Now see how we express this number between 1 and 10. So this 72, see 7.2 we can write. We can write this number as 7.2. Now 7.2 will be in between 1 and 10. So we consider the decimal at the end. 72,000 can also be written as, this number we can write, how? This number also we can write 72,000.0. 72,000.0. That also we can write. We can add, we can put decimal at the end of the number. Any number is given, so you can put the decimal at the end. Its value will not be changed. So you can put the decimal at the end, and after the decimal there should be one digit. If there is no digit given, so you can from your side add 0. So before decimal and after decimal, before decimal and after decimal, there should be some digit. If there is no digit given, so you can add 0 after the decimal. Now to write this number in the scientific notation, what we do, I have to shift this decimal to the place to the left. This decimal I will shift left. How many digits left? How many places left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means I have to bring this decimal after 7. Then the number will become 7.2. Okay. So how many places left I am going to shift? 7.2. See? Zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. After this 3 zeros are there. Yes. Multiply this is the first factor, 7.2. So what we have done, I have shifted the decimal. I have shifted the decimal left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 after 7. That is 4 places left I have shifted. Now the number is 7.2. I will write the multiply and the power of 10. In scientific notation, we write the number in the form of two factor. First factor should be between the first factor value should be between the 1 and 10, and the second factor should be the power of 10. Now here you can see the decimal I have shifted. How many places left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have brought the decimal here, from here to here, because I have shifted this decimal from here to here. Okay, understand? How many digits left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the power over 10 will be raised 4. Now the scientific notation for this number 72,000 is 7.2 into 10 to the power 4. Similarly, we do the question number B, BC. B is 8 lakh. B is 8 lakh. See 8 lakh. Again 8 lakh, how you can write? 8 lakh means you can consider the decimal. You can consider the decimal after at the end of the digit. So we can consider the decimal here, and after the decimal put 0. Now we want to shift this decimal here after 8. Where? Here after 8. Then the number will become between 1 and 10. I want to shift this decimal just after 8. Okay, from here to here we want to bring. See how many places left I have brought this decimal. Now the number is 8.0. The first factor is 8.0. That is between 1 and 10. Now how many places left I have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that you write the power of 10. Second factor is the power of 10. How many places left I have shifted? 5. So that is 8.0 into 10 to the power 5. We can write 8.0 into 10 to the power 5. Now we do question number C. 790 million. 790 million. In this also you can see I am going to put the decimal just after 7, that is 7.9. Decimal I want to put it here, 7.9. Now see, the 7.9 value is between 1 and 10. First factor's value is between 1 and 10, and second factor is the power of 10. Now what power you will raise? Now count the digit, that how many places left I have shifted the decimal. 3, 6, 2, 8. 3, 6 and 2, 8. Because we can consider the decimal here at the end. Now I have shifted the decimal from here to here. And that places we can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many places? 8 places left I have shifted. So the power you raise over 10 is 8. 7.9 into 10 to the power 8. Now we do question D. Now see in this also decimal we can consider at the end here, and we want to shift this decimal from here to here. Now see how many places? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 9 places. So the value will be 8.0 multiply 8.04 multiply the power of 10 is what? How many places? 3, 6, 3, 9. 10 to the power 9. That also you can write 8.04. So the value this is what? Between 1 and 10. 8.04 is the value between 1 and 10. So first factor value between 1 and 10. And the second factor is 10 to the power 9. That you can write. Okay. Now we do question number E. $31,408,000,000 Now we consider the decimal at the end. We can consider the decimal at the end. Now see how many places we have to shift the decimal here. 3, 6, 9, 1, 10. Now the number you can write 3.1 into 10 to the power 10. We have set the decimal 10 place left. 3, 6, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 3.1 into 10 to the power 10. Okay. Now we do question number 4. F is for the homework that you do at your home. One question I have left it for you. You will do at your home. That is the homework. Now question number 4. Write the following number in the standard form. Reverse. Write the following number in the standard form. Write the following number in the standard form. That is A. Here the numbers are given in the scientific notation 6.6 multiply 10 to the power 5. Now we have to do the reverse. See, here the numbers are given in the scientific notation. Now we have to write in the standard form. This means 10 to the power 5 means add 5 zeros after 6. Add 5 zeros after 6. So just after 6 you write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the standard form. Okay. 10 to the power 5 means we are multiplying. Add 5 zero after 6. B. 7.4 into 10 to the power 3. This means now when you multiply this power of 10, so the decimal will shift to the right. So as the number of power, here the power is 3, so 3 number of places digit will shift to the decimal will shift to the right. So here the power of the 10 is 3, so the decimal will shift 3 place right. Where? 3 place right. So after decimal there is 1 digit only, and we have to shift 3 digit. So add 2 more zeros. Add 2 more zeros. That is 7,400. 7,400. Now you can understand it like this also. Suppose this number 7.4, and here the power is what? Over the power 10 is 3. This means there should be 10 digit after, there should be 3 digit after decimal. But here there is only 1 digit after decimal. So how you make 3 digit after decimal? Add 2 zeros after this 4. Now see, after decimal there is 1, 2, 3 digit. As the number of power, as the power over 10, so that number of digits must be after the decimal in the number. You put it. Okay. Now we shift this decimal at 3 place right. Now this decimal we have to shift here. That is 1, 2, 3 place right. Now the number is what? 7, 4, 0, 0, 0.0. That is the standard form. That is the standard form. Like this also we can do. Similarly, see 8.9 into 10 to the power 7. 8.9 multiply 10 to the power 7. Again what I have told you, here the power of 10 is 7. So in the first form, in the first factor, after decimal there must be 7 digit. But here after decimal there is 1 digit. In 8.9 after decimal there is 1 digit. So add 6 digit more. Because here we required after decimal 7 digit. So how we get after decimal 7 digit? So you can write 8.9 and after 6 this 60 you added. Now see, there is the 7 digit, multiply 10 to the power 7. Now we have to shift the decimal to bring it in the standard form. Shift this decimal here 7 place right. So the number will become 89. See here, in the standard form we got. That is the number is what? 89 million. 89 million. Okay. Similarly, the question D. Voyager 2 flew an indirect course of about 2.3 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer to reach the Saturn. So Voyager 2 flew a indirect course distance 2.3 10 to the power 9 kilometer. This much distance Voyager flew to reach the Saturn. So this number we have to express in the standard form. Again this is written in the scientific notation. So after decimal there should be the 9 digit, but unfortunately here we have the 1 digit only. So add 80 after 3. So add 80 after 3. So the number will be 2, 3, add 80. This much kilometer. So how you read it? Put a comma after 3 digits. 2,300,000,000 kilometer. 2,300,000,000 kilometer. Okay. So last one is the homework for you. Now self practice 4C is over. So in the next class we will study self practice 4D. That is the application of laws of exponent in simple daily life problems. Okay. So this is all for today, students. In the next class we will continue self practice 4D. This is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.